Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert a special character in your Google Doc. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab up at the top, and then you want to select where it says Special Characters. At this point, you'll have a similar option that the character map when you are on a Windows computer will show you. Basically, it'll give you a variety of symbols, arrows, icons, different currency symbols, and whatnot that you can use and insert directly into your Google Doc. And you just would go ahead and select those icons to actually input them directly into the document itself. You can also draw a symbol here. If you draw a symbol on the right side here, it might be able to actually locate what special character you're trying to insert into your Word document here. So definitely a cool little feature. It's kind of artificial intelligence to some degree here. And then you just insert it over here on the left side. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.